What's up, everybody? I wish you guys could have seen that awesome sex kill, but stupid internet. I actually did. I kind of lied to you, I think, because it wasn't. I got signed out like when I was in that match. So no, I didn't lie to you because I said it was my internet. So we're still cool, man. Still cool. See those big arms? It's mine, man. Awesome arms. Like him, don't you? But today I'm gonna show you how to make this awesome tucket, big arms, his girlfriend. Has a lot of money. Maybe. But yeah. He's like a beast, man. I don't like the monster man right, but it looks good. Just from like far away. Yeah, just do whatever you want. This is how I created it. Come on, take a good hard look at them. I always hated this part when I created it, after so many times. So hard to get. I'm kind of in the game, man. It's like 50-50. If you're asking, I bet you're not. I don't have too many viewers out there. It's just about because I just started up and people hate me. I didn't do. But I don't care. Haters, lovers. You can do whatever you want. I don't care about haters. I have a shirt that says I love haters because I do, man. Hate me. Hey, not really. Don't hate me. Do not hate me. I am a nice person. But that's how you create it. Little beast. It was my fans. I did that last time. But please, comment, rate, and subscribe. Put a thumbs up or down. But it better be a thumbs up. We're gonna have some problems. Peace, guys.